Dr. Ed's going to show us a really fun way that we do sorting at the laboratory collective.
In what looks like 4 empty beakers, we added a pH indicator, or a combination of pH indicators. These are chemical compounds that allow you to determine the pH of a solution visually. We use 3 indicators that are colorless in an acidic solution, but turns either red, blue, or yellow in a basic solution, and we use the combination to get the green. The solvent of each indicator evaporates quickly, leaving a seemingly empty beaker with the residue of the indicator or indicators at the bottom of each beaker. By adding our basic solution, potassium hydroxide in this case, we see the beakers fill up with the different colors using the same colorless liquid. Then each colored beaker was poured into an acidic solution, in this case a hydrochloric acid solution, and this made the colors disappear.
This is how we sort at our wizarding school here in Chicago at the Laboratory Collective. We also created a video about how you can sort at home and figure out what houses your friends and family would be in. We are adding new videos every week that you can do at home or even in your own classroom. Make sure to like our video, share, and subscribe to our channel.